In this video, I'll show you how to use the Claude AI desktop app step by step. This quick guide will help you set it up and start using it on your computer. To begin, I'll open the Claude desktop app on my computer. If this is my first time opening the app, I'll be asked to sign in to my Claude account. On the login screen, I'll click Continue with Google, then select my Google account and confirm the sign in. After logging in, the Claude desktop app will open the main chat interface. In the center of the screen, I'll see the message box where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" Next, I'll click inside the message box and type my first prompt. For example, I might type, "Explain how artificial intelligence works." After typing my prompt, I'll click the send button, and Claude will generate a response. I can also upload files in the desktop app. To do that, I'll click the plus icon next to the message box and choose a file from my computer. If I want to start a new conversation, I can click New Chat from the sidebar. The desktop app also gives me access to features like projects, artifacts, and code, which help organize my work and manage different types of content. And that's it, I've successfully set up and starting the Claude AI desktop app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.